I would play for like another 20 minutes and I'm gonna get off.
20 minutes is all I need. As long as you make it funny. Get naked. Look at your muscles,
I
bro.
am.
Like, what? You work at Shouldice or something?
Yeah, I do.
Oh. You look like you're about to quit in the first 30 minutes. Hey.
Give me 20. No way.
Yeah, man. Oh, hey, Peter. Why are you so angry, bro?
Peter,
Oh, now you're happy.
Peter. I'm looking for some.
My money don't jiggle jiggle, it folds. I like to see you wiggle wiggle, for sure. It makes me want to dribble dribble. You know, riding in my fear. You really have to see it.
Really have to see you.
6'2" in a compact. Oh my
That's
god.
crazy, bro.
Most viewed
correct.
short on YouTube. Oh, that stalled.
Jump here.
You sure?
Don't just assume things, okay?
Are you on the same floor though?
No, I just don't assume things.
He's above me somewhere, I think.
I doubt it.
I don't know. I don't know, man.
Go up. Oh, there's a button. That goes. Oh, that's how you go up and down.
The button?
There's a button on the wall you can press to go up and down.
Oh, I see him, bro.
You
Dude,
see
I
it?
actually know where he is. He's moving. I knew it. I saw that piece of meat hiding behind. Oh,
Yeah,
pretty
I kept looking down. You can clearly see it if you looked up.
funny. Yeah. Like, you guys gotta be above me. Piece of meat hiding in the corner. Gotcha. That's tough, because you cannot tell where the ping's coming from. Dude, there's a whole other section.
I know, this is so
Where?
fun.
Dude, I would have had no idea. Oh, fuck, I don't know where to go. Uh-oh.
Go up.
Oh, this is not good.
No, I agree.
Uh-oh. Max is gonna find me. Taunt him. Oh, I don't like what I am, bro.
No, I'm in a very bad spot,
I
dude.
am too. I'm gonna get found right away, bro. Fuck. I'm a piece of jerky.
You just give away what you are.
Piece of bacon?
I know your footsteps.
Come on, bro.
I hear the pings, but it doesn't say like oh, I can't get in this. Peter's too fat.
GG, Peter. Max, no. Hey, Max. It's on the floor. Hey.
What is happening? I'm so confused. It says there's footsteps right here, but that's impossible.
Chilling.
You're just sound hoarding, bro. Like, get out of here.
Yeah.
Oops.
I think we got this.
I think you guys got it.
This one's tough, man. This is not no SpongeBob land anymore.
It's not no SpongeBob land for sure.
Ah!
Oh my god. You almost walked away, man. You almost
I
fucking
did. He did, bro.
When I fell, I thought I saw something weird that didn't look like it was supposed to be there.
Oh, I'm so fucked, bro. I'm so fucked. There's no way I make out of this alive, bro. Andrew, you cannot shoot me, bro.
Well, I don't know where you are, but
Oh no. I'm not a donut, bro. I swear. No, 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 no. Uh-oh. I'm not a watermelon. Dude!
What the hell?
Evan, you holding up alright, or?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
That's what I like to hear, bro.
I got shotgunned.
GG's in the shot.
I was, man, of something. At least there's only one hunter.
No, there's two, but you know, if you know where the other person is, kind of hard to hunt for them. You are a hunter, finds all
Alright,
the
Max, you
hidden
pick one into the
layout.
fridge, I'll pick the other. Oh, I fell. Oh, you can't shoot early.
I'm not.
The hell am I?
I got a good spot. GG's in the chop.
Boom, shaka, laka, laka.
You know what Queso always says? He says blah blah blah
More,
blah blah in the chat. Be honest.
I'll take double chicken, please.
Yeah, he does say that. I'm hungry. Yo, chat. I'm not gonna lie, that dead body is making me so
Lagoon.
hungry, bro.
I don't know how, but I died.
Whoa. I just saw Max fly across the map and die.
You died?
I died. I don't know how.
Oh, one down.
Oh, I think I'm gonna hop off anyway.
At least find out the outcome, because Andrew's not gonna find me. Right?
Alright.
Nah, dude, I'm already near. Come here.
You're not gonna find me.
I can't even. Oh, I had to use this. I don't even know where Devin is.
Can you spectate me?
I'm
He's
just.
over
I'm
by
a,
the finger sandwiches.
I'm a. Okay, I'm a. He's
Oh,
in
he's
here.
Nah, he's up.
Oh, you both are hunting me.
Oh,
I
guess you
forgot.
can't,
You guys aren't gonna find me then.
kind of a trick. Oh!
Salami!
Oh, he's lower.
No. That's not true. You're lying to yourself.
Gotta be where the ham is.
Ham!
Oh, here we go.
I'm not a chicken winger.
Let's see. Maybe that rock behind the other rock right down there.
There's an ice cube.
A piece of bacon.
There's gotta be him. Look, he's right here. There's just a little iceberg.
What?
That's not him. Oh, he's the rock.
Oh, iceberg!
Little iceberg, bro.
How'd you know that was
Can't
me,
make
bro?
out now.
Alright, I'll see you boys later.
Goodbye.
Easy.
Play tomorrow, I guess.
I'll never talk to you guys again.
Bye!
Bye forever.